Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Matt Diggity's Affiliate Lab, okay? So let's take a look at Affiliate Lab today. Let's see whether this is a good way to make side income, maybe even full-time income, and what this program is all about. How much does it cost? Refund policies, the program itself. Is this good? Is this a good way to generate a full-time income or a side income 100% online? Let's take a look at it, okay? So at any time, if you want to get my favorite strategy to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, I'll send you that strategy for free. All you need to do is just click the link in the description box and I'll send that directly to your email. All right, let's take a look at Affiliate Lab. So listen, this is basically a search engine optimization course. It's going to teach you how to build an authority niche website online so that people can find it on Google, go through your website, click on the links, and then you generate commissions through affiliate links. That's basically how it works. So for example, if I was to go to Google right now and type out something like best fishing backpack, for example, what Affiliate Lab is going to teach you how to do is how to create a website, an authority website, and in a specific niche that will show up for that particular keyword phrase. Not this one in particular, but whatever niche you decide to get in. And obviously he's gonna train you on the best keywords and the best niches to be in, right? But what happens is when somebody types this keyword out, they're gonna find your website. Hopefully it's gonna rank, on the first 3 positions. That's really the goal of good SEO, okay? They're gonna click on it and they're gonna go through the website. You're gonna learn how to do all this stuff, right? How do you create a nice website, blah, blah, blah. How do you write nice articles? People are gonna read the articles, and when they click on the links, for example, this might be an affiliate link to the Wild River Tackle Tech Nomad Lighted Backpack. When somebody buys from that link, you make a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is, okay? So the whole trick here is how do you build a site like this and how do you rank it on Google for specific keyword phrases? So that's what the Affiliate Lab in a nutshell is all about. Then he's gonna teach you how to sell or flip this website. So once you get, for example, this website to a certain level and you're like, I want to sell this website and make some big money from it, maybe $50,000, $100,000, $500,000, it depends on how big your website is, and then you focus on other projects. He's going to show you how to do that too, okay, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look at the actual program itself. So that's what it's all about. Is it any good? And what are the pros and cons of doing something like this, okay? So first of all, Matt Diggity, very, very experienced. Affiliate Lab itself is, I think, a very, very good detailed program. I mean, it's got a lot of training, a lot of very detailed training. I'll list it right here. 45 plus hours of training. So this is no joke, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very, very detailed training course. It's over 210 plus videos, right? He teaches you everything from niche selection, keyword selection, on-page, off-page SEO, how to build your team, all the different tests on Google, because Google always changes their algorithm, right? Different templates and tools, checklists and SOPs. He's obviously got great support, a really good Facebook group where a lot of members are in there every single day asking questions. He answers them as well, right? He shows you how to create. There's a lot of bonuses as well, all right, where you're gonna learn how to do follow-up emails, for example. So it's not just about people landing on your website. How do you follow up with them? How do you build a relationship with them when they're not on your site? How do you then automate your work? How do you hire a team if you have a budget, right? Because SEO, when you build an authority website like this, you can do everything yourself, which will take you like 15 hours a day, okay? Or you can hire a team to help you do some of that work if you have a budget, all right? And the budget ranges anywhere from $200 to $1,000 to a couple of $1,000s a month, depending on what your budget is to run this particular business, right? So he's gonna teach you all that. Once you build out a big site, how do you sell it? How do you flip it? If you want, you don't have to flip it, by the way, but you can if you want to do that. Matt's gonna show you how to do all that stuff, right? And the thing about this program is that there are a lot of, you can go through this in detail, right? This is a very good sales page, to be honest. There are a lot of people having a lot of great results with this program, okay? So, in a nutshell, it is a great SEO program. How much does it cost? It's $1,000, $997. Not cheap, not expensive, somewhere in the middle. For a program like this, where you've got, 45 hours plus 210 plus videos of training, expect to pay $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for a program like this. He's charging just under $1,000. There is no refund, okay? So that's the only thing. There are no free refunds at all. Once you buy it, you have to keep it. Okay, so you may or may not be okay with that. You know, it really depends. It's a good quality program, but you have to buy it and keep it. So, you know, I would say do your research on it, okay? But when it comes down to it, SEO, as an SEO course that's going to teach you how to build out a authority niche website where you can generate affiliate commissions through your articles and through the site itself, it is a very, very good program. One of the best out there, okay? So I've reviewed quite a few authority website search engine optimization programs, and some of them are okay, some of them are middle of the road. I've only reviewed, you know, maybe 2 or 3 that are very, very good. And Affiliate Lab is one of the very, very good ones, okay? If you want to go down this path, all right? So it just depends on what you want to do. What I would say is, first of all, if you want to get into SEO, if you want to build an authority website like this, okay, and rank it on Google and wrestle with Google, then Affiliate Lab is a great program for that. Now, there are a couple of caveats, okay? So first of all, you have to understand this. Doing search engine optimization and building an authority website is one of the most difficult things that you will ever do in internet marketing. Hands down. If you watch any of my other videos on any of my other stuff, internet marketing strategies, I always say that SEO in terms of level of difficulty from 1 to 10 is a 10. It's the most difficult, most complicated, and most ever-changing strategy on the internet, bar none. Why? Because you are trying to rank a website and rank it on Google, and Google has an algorithm where they know that a lot of people are trying to game the algorithm. So what does Google do? Google changes their algorithm all the time. They constantly have updates, the, you know, whatever, hummingbird update, penguin update, they're constantly updating it with all sorts of animal names, right? And whenever that happens, it affects the ranking of your website, okay? So just understand that. Now, even though Matt does have tests in place that he will update you on, which I think is very good, because most SEO training programs don't teach that. They don't have that service. So he's got tests in place. When something changes, he will inform all his students, but you still need to make those changes as a marketer. Understand that, right? So your strategies are not evergreen, okay? As soon as Google changes something, Matt will tell you, you will need to make those changes. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time to revamp your website, all right? So just understand that the game of search engine optimization is like that. Look, if you want to rank on Google for a particular keyword phrase like best fishing backpack, there's a lot of competition. There are, you know, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people that are going after this exact keyword. So to rank up here is competitive. It's difficult, okay? Now, even though Matt's course is very good and he's going to teach you all the stuff that you need to know to do well, you have to understand that it's still complicated and it's not the easiest thing out there. Search engine optimization is hard. It just is, okay? That is a fact. And everybody that has done SEO will agree with me on that. I did SEO for a whole year and I didn't really get such great results, okay? Now, that doesn't mean that you're not going to get good results with Matt's program. I'm just stating a fact that SEO is hard, that's all. But if you are willing to go down this road, then Affiliate Lab is one of the best programs that will teach you how to do that. Of course, there are easier ways to do affiliate marketing. This is just one of the many ways, but if you want to go down the SEO route, if you want to build authority website, if you want to go up against Google and you're fine to do that, then Affiliate Lab is one of the best programs that will teach you how to do that. Okay, just depends on what you're trying to do, that's all. All right, so that's my review of Affiliate Lab. You can check it out at affiliatelab.im if you would like. And if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're someone that is looking to make money online, maybe a full-time income, maybe a side income. You understand that, you know, the internet is the place to go to generate a full-time, you know, or income in general, but maybe creating an authority website isn't necessarily what you had in mind. Maybe you're just researching right now. And listen, there are a lot of different ways to generate income online. And if you would like to learn my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US per month minimum, 100% from home, I think this is the best way to do it. Honestly, I've been around for over a decade. I've tried so many different strategies. I still think that this is the best method. If you would like that training, I would send it to you for free. All you need to do is just click the link below this video, register for that training, and I'll send that directly to your email. All right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Affiliate Lab, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.